Well, the Ridgeway Space to Create in Ridgeway, Colorado is unique in that it's an affordable housing project for artists or a creative class. And it's also located within sort of the downtown center of a somewhat rural community in Colorado. We started working with Artspace projects, and I was part of a committee back in the early 2000s to try to bring Artspace as a project to Buffalo, New York. And we were awarded the project to design the Artspace Buffalo project in 2004. So since then, we've been working with them all over the country, doing similar projects in other communities. When we're designing a building for a client, we need to understand what their long-term objective is. For Artspace, they build these affordable housing projects across the country and retain them forever. So the long-term durability and performance is pretty important. You know, they're not the kind of developer that would build a building and then flip it and sell it to someone else. So as we were looking into the material choices, we began to learn that there were some new materials that Dryvit in particular offered that made this brick material that can hold up better and it's lighter. And it also gave us additional insulation around the building. So the Artspace wanted this to be a very energy efficient building. So we started exploring those possibilities and began to learn that not only could we do this new brick in place of real brick, but we could get corrugated insulation that looks like corrugated metal, and we could get wood-looking materials that look like horizontal planks. We could get carved insulation that looks like clapboard. And then we learned that we could also, if we'd used all of their products with the backing materials over the exterior envelope, that we could also get a warranty for Artspace, which you never can get on an envelope, but it worked out to be a really appropriate solution for an area that has a lot of temperature variation. As an affordable housing project, they need to make sure it's durable for the long term, energy efficient. So it just ended up falling into place after we learned all the different variations that were available to do what we thought we were going to do with 4 or 5 different materials. We used Dryvit products on a prior project in Colorado and had some successful experience working with the Dryvit guys to help us choose the materials, choose details, and how to install it properly. So we're using it currently on 2, if not 3 other projects, affordable housing projects, another one in Colorado Springs and another one in Utica, New York. We're using the same thing now.